Welcome to our assembly video. I'm going to show you how to put together this mobile 9-section storage unit. Begin by interlocking parts 5 and 6. Attach part 1 to the top and part 4 to the bottom by inserting the dowels in their holes and then attaching with screws. Bring parts 2 and 3 and attach to the unit by screwing in the screws. Now insert your backing pieces parts 7 and 8. Use a screwdriver to begin screwing in the screws in the back. We do not recommend using an electric screwdriver. This unit comes with optional casters to make the unit mobile. Easily attach casters with 4 respective screws per caster. Hard casters are industrial grade to provide ease when moving the unit from place to place. This completes the assembly of your mobile 9-section storage unit.